Have you ever felt stuck in your creative process? Are you struggling to come with new ideas in your problem? If so, you're not alone. Many of us experience the same creative blocks, but there are a simple and fun way to solve this situation. 𝐄𝐍8 Workshop. Hi friends, I'm Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do 𝐄𝐍8 Workshop. It's a technique used by designer, innovator, entrepreneur to generate new ideas to solve complex problems. So let's get started. By setting a time limit and generate many ideas as possible, you force yourself to think outside the box. Plus, it's a fun exercise. It can be done alone or with a group. One of the key benefits of the 𝐄𝐍8 workshop is that it helps you to overcome creative blocks. Many people find themselves stuck in the rut or struggling to come with new ideas, and the 𝐄𝐍8 workshop can help to break through this barrier. Another benefit of the 𝐄𝐍8 workshop is actually to encourage unconventional thinking. By generating a large number of ideas, you're able to explore different angles and approaches that might not have considered otherwise. It's a great way to get the creative juices flowing and energize yourself and your team. For example, I work with the sales team and invite them to the 𝐄𝐍8 workshop, and now they feel so pumped with this exercise, they're starting to use it with their own team. So now they are doing their own 𝐄𝐍8 workshop without me. So what is the step to a 𝐄𝐍8 workshop? Step 1, get a piece of paper and fold it in 8 sections. Step 2, set a timer for 8 minutes. Step 3, write down on top of your piece of paper the problem or the statement you're trying to solve. Step 4, start brainstorming. Step 5, keep going until the end of the timer. Push yourself, push your idea further. Once you have a list of ideas, you can refine and develop them further. Look for patterns among your ideas and try to combine and build ones upon them. Step 6, review your ideas and discuss with your group what will be the best solution. My little secret I want to share with you is actually I make my team work for me instead of me struggling in my own bubble, not be able to decide which solution will be the best for this problem. I make them work for me and with me, so at the end, when they have to decide and approve this solution, it's coming from them. They feel they are involved into the solution. Step 7, refine and decide with your team what idea will be pushing forward. You can review your ideas with your team and identify the most promising ones. So what we do is we vote together what will be the idea or maybe a part of the future we want to explore further. Overall, the key takeaway from the 𝐄𝐍8 workshop is that it's a fun exercise, an effective way to generate ideas and stimulate your creativity. And there you have it! That's all simple as it. A 𝐄𝐍8 workshop is a very simple way to unleash your creativity and think outside the box. Whether you are a designer or entrepreneur, this exercise will help you to unleash your creativity. So give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow. That will be very helpful for my little channel. And on the next video, we're gonna talk how we can use Loom Video to improve your communication and saving a lot of time in meetings. Yeah, nobody likes meetings, don't you? So click here for the next video.